Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by giving Google the ability to hear you. Allow microphone permission in the app or browser now. Once done, sign into your Google account so results reflect your preferences and history. That helps responses stay relevant. Next, set language and assistant voice so the recognition accuracy improves immediately. These are the first actionable steps you must complete before voice shortcuts and routines. They reduce friction and prevent repeated permission prompts later. Now you build the shortcut that makes Google function like Siri. Open Google Assistant settings and go to Routines, add a new routine and type the trigger phrase you will speak. Then chain actions. Open an app, send a message, or control smart devices. Combine multiple actions in one routine. Once configured, test the phrase aloud and watch for errors. Refine the wording or timing if recognition misses. This middle step is where functionality scales, so iterate until it feels natural. Finish by mapping the most used tasks to short, consistent phrases, navigation, calling, timers, or notes, so you don't have to think about wording. Then enable hot word detection if available, or assign a long press to trigger the assistant quickly. Make sure background noise is low for best results. If something goes wrong, retrain the voice model, shorten your phrases, and check mic permissions. Doing that usually fixes misrecognition and keeps your Google as Siri setup reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.